Well, other than a few small things, this is the final product. I still actually got to do some exterior stuff on the front of the house. I got to repaint some of the windowsills, but I'm eventually going to do windows, so I'll probably have videos on just redoing it all and painting it. I recaulked a bunch of them that we did, but the garage doors need repainted, more or less replaced. But you can see there's a new garage light there. This light was original, just changed the bulb. Painted the threshold here, painted the door, you know, resanded it down, painted everything. So you can see vinyl plank into the kitchen here. New electrical, paint, everything. New flooring, trim, cabinets. Obviously, you know, this was down to studs, you know, and we redid everything. The electrical, everything's new. Still even have the wrapping on the cabinets and the range hood and everything. Plumbing, obviously, all brand new for the dishwasher. Used dishwasher, but it's a rental. Stove was actually here when I bought the house. It cleaned up good, and then I got that fridge used. Kept the original hardwood, roughly cleaned up. All new lights, paint, light fixtures, plugs, switches, you know, all the normal reno stuff. Floors cleaned up fine. I just basically got to get the final last little bit of stuff out of here. I did new doorknobs on everything. Front closet, obviously all the doors are new locks. Kept the original trim because I figured there's no reason to rip the doors out. They're in pretty good shape. So I'm gonna be putting it up for rent here shortly. I used agreeable gray because if I ever end up switching the trim out or the windows and I go with a white or a white 6-panel doors, this will match. But it also isn't too grayish white to where it doesn't match the woodwork. I figure it's pretty neutral. Bathroom, 20 mil LVT. Got the mirror in, light, toilet's original, just re-put it back in. And then new tub, all new plumbing, and tile surround. I still gotta caulk the base. There's a few like odds and end things I gotta do. I gotta put a new tub spout. The tub spout that I had wasn't working. The diverter was broken in it. But all new electrical in here completely. This was gutted to studs also. Ceiling and all that. Overhead light. So upstairs unfortunately has a lot of manual lights. Doesn't have any light switches. I think it was an unfinished attic at one point. This mirror unfortunately isn't full height, just because of the wall and how this bathroom was set up. But it's just a basic half bath. New floor. Obviously all the plumbing's new vanity. Existing door. But yeah, everything works. 3 bed, 2 bath, 2 half baths, 1 full bath. And then I'll show you the basement. just painted these steps the same gray floor paint that we used. I was gonna put LVP, but it wasn't worth the price. Just figured paint them because it's going to the basement. So yeah, down here, it's, you know, we just need a good mopping and cleaning up. But white walls, gray floors. You can see the stack or the plumbing. Everything is new. So, you know, I had a separate video from all the shutoffs, tons of electrical, and then this goes all the way fern coat down into the old cast or the old steel. So, new 220 plug for the dryer. I have the old gas hook up here, but this thing doesn't work. Actually, I got to get it out of here. And then the reason I have this fern coat out is because this was draining slow. So I'm going to try to vacuum that out and clean it out so that the tub drains a little better. But here's the other little half bath down here. That's all new faucet and shut-offs and P-trap and all that. But basically, everything's new and updated, painted, light fixtures, blah, blah, blah. And then in here's just a big empty room. And I don't know what the tenant will do with it, but it's done. So that's everything.